First, let's wash and peel the potatoes. Let's cut them into even strips, thin for crispy and thick for soft inside. It's time to add all the potatoes in a bowl. Add salt as per taste. Add garlic powder for flavor. Add chili powder to your spice level. Now mix well all the ingredients together. I am coating the air fryer with oil. It's time to place all the potatoes in air fryer in single layer. Remember, this is a healthy air fryer potato, so we have not added any oil until now. Set the air fryer for 400 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. When the fries are half cooked, apply oil in it and cook the rest. Hot, crispy and healthy potato fries are ready. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.